Hello, welcome back to Beaumont's Home Kitchen. So today is kind of a fun video. So today I'll be showing you how to deal with leftovers because every time you make a dish, you always have leftovers, and I'll show you like quite a simple couple simple things you can do to make a gourmet dish out of leftovers. So that's pretty exciting. So that's the video that I'm doing now, and welcome back, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like. So as you can see, we have some leftovers from some of the previous dishes I made. So this is the beef bourguignon with the mushrooms I had left over. That's the gravy that went with it. Last night I did like a roast chicken, and then I also have the veggies we had for the beef bourguignon. I'm gonna add some bacon with that because traditionally beef bourguignon is actually has bacon in it, so that's an important thing. And also, yes, and we also have I made a gravy last night for the chicken, so that's the gravy there. And of course, there's the bacon. I also have gonna make just a couple other veggies with the leftovers. So I have a little bit of cilantro there. I have some pepper, and I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. I have some thyme, some chives, and zucchini. And of course, I have always an important thing, lemon. The lemons there. And yeah, let's get started with what we're gonna do with all these lovely ingredients. All right, so I got my grill out, and what we'll do is we're gonna heat the grill up, and then we're gonna roast probably roast like a half a pepper for some more veggies. So we'll start with that. So put a little bit of oil on them. Yeah, just gonna make sure he's all happy. A little bit of oil. Rub it all over. Then we're gonna grill them up. Okay, so our grill is heated up. So we're gonna take the pepper, toss the pepper inside, and he's gonna roast. Oh, who doesn't like garlic, right? Yeah, and I would say for beginner cooks, a really good thing to do is how I'm chopping here. Just kind of roll your knife a little safer to. Alright, so on our cutting board, I got a little bit of thyme, a little bit of cilantro, and we got some chives. So what I'll do is I'm just gonna chop everything up. Cilantro, all right. Yeah, just a rough chop, and then we have some chives. Chop that up, chop those up, kind of fine. So this is our pepper that's been grilled on a grill, and it's starting to get pretty soft there. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to let it cool off a bit, and then we're going to peel it, chop it up, and we'll do some veggies. So I'll show you that. All right, we're going to chop some zucchini, roughly into, I would say, bâtonnets, they're called. Show you the dice, what you're looking for. All right, chop it like so. Oh, zucchini is such a nice fall, definitely a nice fall vegetable. Pretty awesome. Zucchini. Those up. And yeah, it's roughly with the size, kind of the size you're looking for. Those up. And yeah, it's roughly with the size, kind of the size you're looking for. some of that garlic, salt and pepper, salt, lemon, lemon juice, cilantro, mix it up. Taking a little bit more oil. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of let these soak in there for a bit. I'm gonna check the seasoning, so I'll try one out. Check seasoning, make sure they're seasoned right. Roast these, show you that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna toast some breadcrumbs. So I'll show you how we do that. So we're heating up the pan, oil. Oil gets so hot. Make sure that make sure the pan's hot. Oil gets hot faster. So the oil's heated up, and so the other pan I got the bacon. Show you what we're doing with that later. And I got some oil hot for the toasted breadcrumbs. Toss the breadcrumbs here. Yeah, for a bit there. Yeah, just so you know, these breadcrumbs I make every time I have like some bread that's going stale before it goes moldy. Of course, what I do is I throw it on a tray, like crispy. Just leave it on the tray for room temp for a day, and it gets the bread gets all kind of crispy, and then you take that and you make breadcrumbs. So once I'm running low on breadcrumbs, so what I'll do is I'll be saving some bread, and then I'll show you the process on how we make breadcrumbs. It's quite simple. You just throw it in the food processor, burr it up, and then here we're gonna toast these. Back on track. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna stir them up. All toasted. And these are just plain old breadcrumbs, not seasoned. So, salt, pepper, a little bit of thyme, oops, shake them up a little. They'll start to crisp up. Yeah, so they're kind of toasting up. The bacon's going. Toss a touch of rosemary in there. So the breadcrumbs are starting to get toasty. See that nice color on there? That's what we want. So I'm going to take them a little bit further so they're all. Oh yeah, bacon. Oh yeah. There's like pinky fat. I kind of want to see the color there. That's kind of what you want. That's your toasted breadcrumbs. Bacon's done. Chop up our bacon. Nothing like bacon, huh? Bacon, bacon. It ain't breakfast without bacon. Or dinner. Or any meal for that matter. This is the beef bourguignon in the mushrooms that we made the other night. So we're going to toss that into the pan with the mushrooms. And bacon. Yeah, we're just going to heat that up till it gets all happy. Yes, nothing like gourmet leftovers. Sauce from the other night. Toss that in there. Some of it. All right. So, taking that's all the zucchini that's been marinated up, so we're just going to take our breadcrumbs and sprinkle a little bit on top, like so. Yeah, we're going to roast these in the oven. I would say, 375 for about like till they become soft. I guess that roughly takes about 15 minutes or so. And yeah, we're just going to toss a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And those go into the oven. And then I'll show you the peppers. So this is a roast pepper that's been, it should be cooled off. You should be able to peel it now because it's softened up. So we're going to take our pepper. So the pepper should be able to peel quite easily now. Yeah, peel just sort of peels right off. Try to grab a hold of it and try to take as much peel as you can. You don't have to get it all off because it is a nice flavor too. So yeah, I guess it kind of peels right off. Yeah, you roughly grill. I guess you grill the pepper. I think it was about close to like 10 minutes. You just grill. Any type of burger grill or Joe Farmer grill that you have at home, you can. Yeah, I discovered you can roast so many things in there. I roast peppers. I had a gas stove. You can actually do it right on the fire. That's kind of another technique. I don't have a gas stove, so I just do it right on a Joe Farmer grill. Works perfect. All right, so that's pretty much peeled. And as I said, if there's a little bit of peel on there, not a big deal. So, all right, chop up our pepper. Yeah, you just want to chop them like so. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to marinate off. I guess it's a little bit of peppers, not much, but a little bit. All right, so I put the cilantro in there with the garlic, and then we're going to do a little bit of salt, pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of oil in the pan. Toss the peppers. Try to get all the goodness out of there. All right. Okay. As I said, not a lot of peppers, but all good. Our toasted breadcrumbs. Boys out. All right. And so, yeah, so we're gonna toss that there. And again, in the oven, 375 for about really kind of golden brown on top to get all crispy, and some cool veggies. All right, now for the oven. So I've reheated everything, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to plate all the leftovers and make it gourmet. Zucchini, the zucchini that we fried up, toss those on there. Not a lot, just a little bit. That's a pretty good amount. Also our peppers we did up there. There's a few of those on there. Perfect. Okay. Other veggies on there. Our beef bourguignon veggies. Toss a couple of those on there. A couple of those. A couple of those carrots. All right. Nothing too fancy, just a few carrots. We got our proteins. Chicken. Toss the chicken onto the little bit of a little thigh and a little bit of breast. Okay. Here you can sort of see some of the veggies. All right, there we go. That's pretty good. A little bit of juice on there. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. All right. A bit of the chicken gravy I made last night. Yeah, I didn't record the last night. The cooking. I was maybe a little tired of filming everything, so thought I'd do leftovers. That's kind of fun, right? All right, so that's the chicken part. All right, the gravy. Now, the beef we made, the beef bourguignon, the famous one. Yeah. The bacon. So that's awesome. Sorry, kicked out by Beaumont. Alright, there's our, a few more mushrooms on there. Mushrooms. Make sure there's bacon on there. Beaumont's Gourmet leftovers. So there you have it. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you want to subscribe, definitely subscribe, because I'm working on lots of videos and different ideas, and you guys comment, let me know what videos that you, or what you want me to cook, because I'll definitely cook it and make a video for it. If you get down and comment, let me know. Yeah, this is even give us some feedback. Let me know what you thought of the video, and let me know. And hope to hear from you, and see you in the next video. I don't know what I'm doing yet for the next video, but as I said, I always come up with ideas, usually when I'm sleeping. So let's, yeah, so gourmet leftovers. Thanks a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, which is right there. That's a picture of me. Just click that, and that's how to subscribe. And don't forget to like, which is down below. And yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as I said, there's lots more coming, so I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.